Hey guys, welcome back to the how-tos. In this video, I'll be sharing the baking soda experiment, except with a twist. I'm going to have some food coloring. Things you will need is 1 spoon for the baking soda, 2 cups, a tray, some baking soda, and some white vinegar. In the first one, I'm not going to add any food coloring. I'm going to add a tiny bit into each. That's the exact same. Okay, now in one of them, you want to get your food coloring. It can be any color. I chose blue. Pour a little bit of it in. The next thing you will need is then you need your baking soda. Grab your spoon, grab some baking soda, and pour it in the first one. It seems a tiny bit boring because it doesn't really explode. It only starts to get up a little bit later. And that's a bit lame. Now if you want a cooler experiment, you add some food coloring, and then you grab your baking soda, pour it in, and this look. Much better. The comparison, this is still opening. It's still going up. If I take some of this out and put it back in, it always stops. But with this, if I take some out and back in, it's still going no matter what. This is a cool trick to show your friends. Bye bye.